Our dogs are not allowed to mix with the chickens anymore. Kaylee probably would not hurt them, but she does try to run and chase them. And then Wanda will put her wings out and rush at Kaylee to protect the others. It's kind of funny, but it's sort of traumatic for them, so we don't let the dogs out when the chickens are out. That's my coffee. You don't want my coffee. No, you don't want that. You don't want that, Mama. Yeah, no. No, you don't want that. You don't want that. No, you don't want it either. No. One chicken will see one investigating something and then they all want to investigate. No, you guys. What are you doing? There's nothing on there. I must have been wiping my hands on my sweats in the kitchen. Do you smell something on my sweats? Do you smell food on there? Probably. What? I know you haven't been out much, huh? Because it's been so hot. I know. What are you doing? Why do you like my sweat so much? Why do you like my sweatpants so much? What, Mama?